So these days, when I'm scouting for a title company, I ask these questions. 1. Do you work with investors? Are you familiar with assignments, double closing, sub-2, novations? Whatever you're doing the most of, you need them to be pros in that area. 2. What's your escrow fee? Does it include a mobile notary? Mobile notary is important because you want ease of transactions for your seller. You want us to come to them, right? If you only close a couple deals a year, the escrow fee might not matter to you. But when you do volume, like if you close 10 a year and they charge you $600 per closing, these fees can stack up. So we like the $150 to $200, maybe up to $250 for escrow fee when we do volume. Anything from $250 to $400, still reasonable. Anything above $400 sound more like a retail deal for a seller who may only close one deal in their lifetime, or you buy 1 or 2 a year. Okay, so just remember, if you buy 10 houses a year, that's 20 closing. So these fees can add up. The last question I asked is, how do you handle title issues? I want a team that knows how to deal with delicate and uneducated sellers. It happened more often than not. I get a call from the seller freaking out over something, not necessarily the escrow officer, but the assistant of the escrow officer told them over the phone. So a good title company will minimize these calls for you and therefore save you time.